In this lesson, we will look at finding the percent given the part and whole, find the part given the percent and whole, and find the whole given the part and the percent. One way to do this is by setting up a proportion. Proportional reasoning sets the part over the whole equaling the percent over 100. If you put your pieces of the problem in this format every time, you can always solve for any one of these three problems. Example 1. 21 is what percent of 35? 21 is our part, 35 is our whole. We're looking for the percent, so that's our x, and we set that over 100. Then we do what's called cross multiplying. We multiply on a diagonal across the equal sign. 21 times 100, 35 times x. We want to find x by itself, so we're going to divide by 35. 2,100 divided by 35 means that we have 60%. 21 is 60% of 35. 28 is what percent of 50? 28 is our part, 50 is our whole. Again, setting up your proportion, 28 over 50 equals x over 100. Multiply across, 50x equals 28 times 100, then divide by 50. 28 is 56% of 50. Another way of thinking of this problem is taking the part, dividing by the whole, times 100. Again, that's the part divided by the whole times 100. Find the part given the percent and whole. So this is going to be set up slightly different. Same format, but we're missing a different piece. X is our part, 175 is our whole, 12 is our percent, over 100. Multiply across, you get 100x equals 175 times 12. So then you're going to divide 2,100 divided by 100. This gives you 21. The next example, 90% of 130. Again, we're looking for our part, that's our x. We know 130 is the whole. 90 is our percent, and percents are always out of 100. Multiplying across, 100x equals 130 times 90. Then divide by 100. 117 is 90% of 130. Another way of looking at that is taking the whole times the percent and dividing by 100, or finding the decimal of the percent and multiplying that by the whole. The last thing is finding the whole given the part and the percent. So this time we're looking for that bottom number in the proportion. The problem says 9 is 45% of what number? 9 is the part. We're looking for the whole, 45 over 100 because it's 45%. Multiply across, 45 times x, 9 times 100, and then you're going to divide the 900 by 45. This will give you 20. 9 is 45% of 20. Last example, 91 is 70% of what number? Again, the 70% is written as 70 over 100. 91 is our part, and we're looking for the whole, so that is our x. Multiply across, 91 times 100, x times 70, then divide by 70. This gives you 130. 91 is 70% of 130.